Tepeu and Gukumats then decided to create animals and other creatures to praise their names and to look after their creation. The animals appeared on earth one by one: the deer, the ant, the birds, the serpent, and so on. "Now praise us, say our names," commanded the creators. Naturally, the animals could only bark or grunt or howl. The noise was so deafening that Tepeu and Gukumats ordered them to stop. How could the animals worship the gods when they could not even speak? The spirits were disappointed, and they decided to create better beings who could say their names and worship them properly. Tepeu and Gukumats started experimenting, creating